Hey guys, Basil here with TechRadar. This is the Asus ROG gaming phone. Now, this isn't actually the phone. This is it in its twin view docking station. I can actually pull the phone out and give you a tour around this really complete gaming solution. We've seen the Razer phone before. Razer phone was cool. It introduced some cool things as well, 120 Hz refresh rate. But one thing that it didn't do was take accessories into account and really stand out from the crowd. It ended up being very similar to a lot of phones that we've seen before. The Asus ROG gaming phone's really trying to do something different. For starters, you have not one, but two USB-C ports, one on the right-hand side. The second USB-C port is so that you can play the game while charging the phone. It ships with something in the box, so like clip-on mechanism that keeps it nice and cool as well. The light around the back is really cool, and you can also customize it, syncing it with your Asus ROG gaming laptop so that your lighting is the same across all your devices. It's got stereo speakers on the front firing. It's got a 6-inch OLED screen. And what's extra special about this screen is it has a 90 Hz refresh rate. That's really fast, faster than we've seen on an OLED device on a smartphone, but it's also more impressive in a lot of respects than the 120 Hz Razer screen because it's got a faster response time, 1 millisecond as opposed to around 7 measuring the grays when compared to the Razer. What you've also gotten here is tons of power. It's a Snapdragon 845 paired with 8 GB of RAM, but it isn't just a Snapdragon 845, it's an overclocked 845. You've got vapor cooling chambers inside, copper working to make it stay nice and chilly. In addition to that, it also charges nice and cool too. You can get 60% power in 33 minutes, so it's fast using Asus's new Hypercharge. But it's also cool because now the power block is where a lot of the brains of the charging goes as opposed to in the phone. So the power plug will get warm, not the handset itself. Other key specs include Android 8.1, the latest version out of the box, and you've also got a 4000 milliamp battery in here. So it's going to be powerful, it's going to be a power hungry phone, but it's got the capacity to last a full day. The design is really it's aggressive. There's a weird shaped fingerprint scanner around the back, dual cameras as well, 12 megapixels. You've got a pro mode, so it's nice that you can customize that, but really the focus is going to be on gaming here, and that's going to be reflected in the range of accessories that you can get. Now, I spoke about this twin view bit. You've got what looks like an SD card reader around the back in addition to an additional USB-C port. This also has 6000 milliamps more battery as well. You can get a dock so you can plug it into your TV, hook it up to a mouse and keyboard so you can kind of go into a PC gaming style mode. Game Vice, make a controller that clips on either side if you don't need an additional screen. I haven't got a release date or pricing on it just yet, but stay tuned to techradar.com. That's where you'll be able to see it as soon as it drops. In the meantime, I hope you've enjoyed this video, my hands-on with the Asus ROG phone. If you have, you know what to do. If you're watching this on YouTube, click that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.